Welcome to Vision ERP. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to create a miscellaneous receipt. Go to Main Dashboard of Vision ERP, click on Miscellaneous Receipt. Once you click, the Miscellaneous Receipt interface will appear in front of you. Introduction. What is miscellaneous receipt? So what is a miscellaneous receipt? It's a type of receipt where no invoice or customer is involved. This feature is usually used to record expenses like salary payments to employees or other internal transactions. How to add a new receipt. If you want to add a new miscellaneous receipt, simply click on the Add Misc Receipt button. First, choose the payment method, whether it's bank, cash, check, or credit card. In this example, we'll select bank transfer. Below that, you'll need to type the beneficiary name. This can be one of your employees or any other recipient. Next, enter the amount. Then choose the bank from the drop-down menu. Add any important notes in the section below. Once all fields are filled, click the Continue button. At the top, you'll now see an auto-generated receipt number. You can also add line items in this receipt. First, select the receipt type. Then choose the name if needed. You can add a comment as well. Re-enter the amount and click the Add button below. Once everything is added, just click on Post and your miscellaneous receipt is successfully created.